What's up guys, in this video today I am going to show you the top 5 best windshield cleaning tool. Plenty of things can make your car's windshield and windows grubby. Nothing can be more annoying than a streaky, cloudy windshield because it minimizes your visibility on the road when driving. There are a lot of products available to choose to windshield cleaning tool, each with excellent characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I have done deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best windshield cleaning tool products from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. XINDELL Windshield Cleaner. XINDELL wins our pick for the best windshield cleaner overall, because the lint-free, replaceable pad cleans contaminants from the smudgy glass without leaving any streaks. Designed with your comfort and convenience in mind, this windshield cleaner has an extra long handle with a pivoting 180-degree swivel triangular head to scrub off dust and buildup from hard-to-reach spots as well. This multi-purpose cleaner can adjust to the shape of the glass efficiently to leave a squeaky clean surface behind, and you can also use it to clean the windows inside out. The pole is made of durable aluminum alloy, which is lightweight and rust-resistant, and the handle is cushioned with a non-slip and comfy sponge for a better grip. Fast and easy to cleaning auto windshield. Most used to dread cleaning their car, mainly because of that it was a big hassle to clean the windshield. Not anymore. Clean car window interiors and exteriors. No more hurting your back. Positive side of this product. Ergonomic handle for effortless cleaning. Microfiber cloth doesn't scratch the surface. Retractable, rotatable, and washable. Negative side of this product. A bit shorter for some. Number 2. AstroAI Windshield Cleaner. If you find cleaning your car's windshield hard, the AstroAI Windshield Cleaner comes with a rotatable handle to efficiently clean those hard-to-reach areas. Plus, the detachable handle allows you to use it as a buffer household cleaner, and turns it into a compact unit for convenient storage. What's more, you get 4 washer towels and a 60 ml bottle to start using it right away. With its extra long extended handle and pivoting head, cleaning your car is a breeze. And the twist lock on the handle keeps it from collapsing when you apply pressure to scrub off stubborn dust stains. With a safety hammer made of high-grade carbon steel and a washable microfiber pad, this windshield cleaner lasts longer and offers great value. The car windshield cleaner with a detachable handle can be disassembled into halves for storage. It comes with 4 PCS washer towels, one more than others, and 1 60 ml spray bottles. Positive side of this product. Works as a safety hammer for emergencies. Ergonomic, non-slip handle for better grip. Highly absorbent microfiber pad. Negative side of this product. The cleaning pads are a bit smaller. Number 3. Invisible Glass Windshield Cleaning Tool. The invisible glass is a reliable name for cleaning a car's windshield and windows. This kit is no exception. Designed to remove dust and dirt from even nooks and crevices, this high-quality windshield cleaner kit comes with a reach and clean tool and cleaning spray to give you a streak-free finish. With a lint-free microfiber towel attached to a durable wand, this windshield cleaner adjusts to the contours of curved glass. The 18 inches comfortable to hold handle reaches tight spots efficiently without you having to move back and forth. Plus, you can use the reversible cleaning bonnets inside out for more cleaning power, and can toss them in the washing machine to get them as good as new. Need to clean your car windows, auto glass, windshield, or other glass inside or outside your home, but can't always reach those difficult spots? Now you can. The Invisible Glass Reach and Clean tool is a durable, easy-to-use window wand that makes cleaning hard-to-reach glass easier than ever. Positive side of this product. Reversible and reusable microfiber bonnets. Padded, comfortable to hold handle. Removable hook for easy storage. Negative side of this product. Replacement microfiber clothes may not fit perfectly. Number 4. Gven Windshield Cleaning Tool. If you're fed up spending a lot of time cleaning your car's windshield every morning, Gven's windshield cleaner is for you. It efficiently cleans your vehicle 3 times faster than its counterparts, with its 3 times thicker and highly absorbent than ordinary cleaning towels. This windshield cleaner features a durable and extendable aluminum handle with a non-slip sponge, and is made to last longer, even when used for pressure cleaning. Suitable for both interior and exterior cleaning, this windshield cleaner comes with 3 removable towels, a spray bottle, and a cleaning cloth. 3x thicker car windshield cleaning microfiber. Gven windshield cleaner comes with highly effective soft microfiber, which is 3 times thicker and more absorbent than those ordinary fabrics. No streaks left. Positive side of this product. 3 towels of different thickness. Durable aluminum handle lasts longer. Flexible, rotating head for deeper cleaning. Negative side of this product. The handle can be of better quality. Number 5. Randalfy Windshield Cleaner. If you're looking for a windshield cleaner that you can use on different surfaces, Randalfy has the perfect product. With this 17.12 inches long cleaning brush, you can clean the whole windshield without having to move to the other side of the car. With its high-quality plastic handle, you get a firm grip to put just the needed pressure to clean away dirt and debris. And the 180-degree pivoting head is designed for quick and thorough cleaning to improve your visibility on the road. This windshield cleaner has a fiber towel, allowing you to clean the foggy and misty windshield in winter quickly, without waiting for your car to heat up. What's more, the extendable handle makes it a multifunctional cleaner to get to the areas you can't reach easily. Positive side of this product: machine washable, reusable cleaning towel. Highly water-absorbing cover cloth. Recyclable, eco-friendly materials. Negative side of this product: handle might feel flimsy. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the videos, please daily so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description box. You can for any kind of problem, please comment below.